They're all flying in straight lines. So these are cover-up videos because they never fly in straight lines when they're screwing with me, torturing and harassing me. They stay and enjoy it and project their joy. Every straight line video is a cover-up for the 405 freeway, or now recently a cover-up, making it look like they did good cessna work, surveillance, flying by. They never ever did anything like this. Wouldn't be any problems if they did anything like that, even if they're loud as hell and they just flew away. But no, nothing was ever like that.